What's popping everyone? Markus is coming back at you with another video. Today we'll be talking about my top 5 apps for a better conversion rate on your Shopify store. I'm going to give some tips and tricks for how that you can go ahead and get a better conversion rate, and I'm going to explain and talk about these 5 apps which has helped me tremendously with increasing my conversion rate. So stay tuned throughout this video. I'm going to go inside my computer and show the apps live on Shopify App Store for you. Please, if you get anything useful out of this video, please leave a comment down below, hit the like button and notification bell to always be up to date with all of my videos whenever I upload, and subscribe so you can follow along with our journey with Shopify dropshipping. So let's get into my computer so I can show you the 5 apps. So moving into the 5 apps I got right here for better conversion rate, I got Lucky Orange, Free Shipping Bar, Horify, Ultimate Special Offers, and Consistent Cart. So let's move on to the first app, which will be Lucky Orange. So some of you might are struggling with having better conversion rates, and that might be due to some problems with your store. The good thing about Lucky Orange is they can go in and see where the visitors are leaving. So as you can see right here, we're looking at the screenshots. We got the visitor recording, so you can go in and see actually live the people who are visiting your store at the moment. You can go in and see what they're looking at, and you can go ahead, the app will record the visits, and then you can go ahead and replay it to see where they're leaving your store. As well, that you got heat maps, so you can see which types of images or product things and stuff like that that the people are pressing on when they're onto your store. And you can try it for free in 7 days, otherwise it will be from $10 to $50 a month. It works great, especially with this the heat maps. That works great for me when I'm looking for stuff that I can change. You can see which types of products that people like to press the most. Of course, you want to have those at the top. You got a live chat, so you can chat with the visitors who are onto your store at the moment, and you can go ahead and form analytics of the different data that you get from the app. So Lucky Orange is a great app to go out there and find the reasons that some of the people who comes into your store don't convert. So moving on to the next app, it's called Free Shipping Bar by Hexam. Hexam is a huge media company. They're making a lot of different ads for Shopify App Store. I like them a lot. They have a lot of different apps. If we're gonna open them in a new tab right here, Apps by Hexam, you can see they got about 9 different apps, and I've used both the Free Shipping Bar, the bulk image. It's great as well. The bulk product is phenomenal as well. That works great because you can go ahead and edit all your product as one or different collections and stuff like that. It's great for editing the prices a lot easier. So as you can see, the Free Shipping Bar is completely free. I'm just using the free version. I haven't upgraded to the pro version. So what you can do is you can see you got all these different types of options, and they have created designs for you, so you don't have to do that, or you can play around with the fonts, the colors, and the background color for it. So what I'm doing, you can download this and say free shipping on worldwide orders, or say always free shipping, or if you want to be a bit like sneaky about it, you can go in and say free shipping only today, or save 50% only today, so you create some scarcity and some urgency to your customers. What I've been doing sometimes is I say like free shipping, like so if it's Sunday special, save 10% only today with the promo code, then like SUN10 ends at midnight or only for 24 hours, because then you create this urgency that they need to buy today. Because sometimes customers will be, okay, this looks great, but I'm just gonna wait. But if they see this urgency and that they can save 10% today additionally on top of the fake 50%, perhaps, if it is fake, but anyways, then they will go ahead and maybe or most likely buy the product today instead of waiting. So it will be more like a spontaneous buy. So free shipping is great. You can see they have also a video about it, and they have 4,922 reviews, where 4,439 are 5 stars reviews. So it's a great app. It works phenomenally. You can go ahead and say if you want it just to like stick all the time when you scroll, or there's a lot of different options. It's great. It works very great. So Then we have the apps by Hextone. The next one is going to be Horify. Horify is one I use for creating urgency and scarcity on my product pages. So you can use it on your homepage as well, but I use it when I'm going on to one of my products, and I add it to create some scarcity and urgency. So what do I mean by that? I mean by saying that I have limited stocks, or say 50% only today, and then there will be a countdown timer, so that will create some scarcity and some urgency for the customer, so they think that there may be only like 1 hour and 37 minutes back of the sale of 50%, and there's only 4 pieces left in stock. So that means that they need to be fast to get the product. And a unique thing about Horify is that it can count down the pieces left in stock, so it will create like a huge buying frenzy, I guess. So #1 countdown timer app on App Store. You can see 421 claims, so that's a new one they added. They just upgraded to Horify 2.0, which they are rolling out here in January and February, where we are now, for the already who are already subscribed and have a subscription for Horify. And then I think 2.0 will be for everyone in late February, March, I think. Anyway, so it's great. If we go on to do they have a demo store? I think so. So if we have this one, I like this one actually. So as you can see right here, it takes some time for it to load, but it's still great. Hurry, only 12 left in stock, and then they've set it for 1 hour and 36 minutes. But if we wait, you can see then it goes down to 11. So that looks like there is a customer buying that specific product right now, so that the other customer, which are looking at your product page, think, oh, other people are buying this too at the moment. You can see 9 left in stock, and then you can say that it needs to stop at 2 left in stock, so it will just stay there, and the countdown will continue. So there's a lot of different types of options you could go ahead and play around with for Horify, which works best for you. But I've been finding this one, live decreasing stock number, to work great for me. So I'm using that on most of my products, but you don't want to use it on all of your products, because then it will look fake when they're browsing around in your store. So you want to only use Horify on the products that you're promoting through Facebook or Instagram. So in that way, your store won't look fake or sketchy, but it will actually be pretty legit. So Horify is a great app as well. So moving on to the 4th app, I have Instagram Shop by Snap. So moving into 2018, dropshipping is going to be a lot harder because there's so many competitors for your store. So what you want is you want to focus a lot on branding, and branding on Instagram is a huge potential, because #1, influencers are cheap as fuck still. So when you use influencers, you want to, sometimes you can play around with it, but you also want to link to your Instagram page, so you can build up your Instagram page. Because then when you get 5, 10, 15,000 followers on your Instagram page, when you then post a picture of a product, then you will get a lot of traffic for free organically to your store. So that's what Snap is for. So Snap, you can go ahead and make your pictures buyable. So as you see from this screenshot right here, you can go ahead and point out, like if you're tagging people, then you can go ahead and put like #1, and then that's like this top, and then #2, which is the bottom, is the bikini bottom. And then when they say buy, they will be linked directly to your store, and it looks great. Instagram Shop. So if we're just gonna take we go into Native North, you can see right here Native North. So it will be on their Instagram page, but you can see when you're cursing all over the pictures, they have numbers. So if we go into this one, as you can see, there is the text for the picture, and then there is the product itself, and when you say buy, you'll be directed to the store. So Snap is a great way of using and monetizing all your followers on your Instagram page, and it will increase your trustworthiness, because having an Instagram shop is very chic and very like modern and 2018 stuff like that. So they will be great to just have you on your store, to link to that, so people can see that you're actually also are active on your Instagram page. So Snap is great. I'm using it, and you can see they have like huge amount of 5-star reviews, and I really agree with that. It's a great app. So moving on to the fifth app, which is the final one, Ultimate Special Offers. I've actually been using this app nearly since the beginning for me drop shipping. The great thing about it is that I think I also explained that I have another video about converting app as well, but this Ultimate Special Offers, I'm still using it. It's great because you have so many different options which you need several apps for, but in this it collects all the different options into one app, which gives faster loading speed because you don't need several apps, and it's cheaper for you. So you have spend amount, get discount, buy X for a discounted price, buy X, get Y, like buy an iPhone case, get an iPhone cable for free. Bundle, you could bundle, like, do you want this case and a screen protector for a discounted price. Then credit, give customers store credit for returning an item or using a coupon, so they will get credit for your store that they can use. So it will be an advantage for you when they return the item. Instead of refunding them, they can get credits on your store. Maybe you will give them like 10% extra in credit, because it will be better for them to use the credit on your store than to refund the item. And then free, you can offer a free gift for your customers using the Ultimate Offer. So if, let's say, you're selling a power bank, then you can offer a free iPhone cable. Free in e-commerce is so powerful. So giving a free gift will increase your conversion rate tremendously. So you have upsells and cross sells, then you can offer, so instead of having a separate app for your upsells, you can actually just use Ultimate Offers upsells, which is included in the price. So it's a great one. So you can go ahead and click here to see the demo. So they have 238 reviews, 189 reviews. Some of them might be bad, but I have found it to work very great for my store. You can play around with it, have a 10-day free trial as well. So yeah. So the last but not least app I got right here is called Consistent Cart. The good thing about Consistent Cart is that it will go ahead and save your visitors' cards. So when you go ahead and make abandoned cards emails, when they come into your store, the cards they have already made will be saved for them. Trusted by 15,000 live stores, Consistent Cart syncs your customers' cards across devices, so it knows that it goes ahead. So when your customer goes on to Google Chrome on their iPhone or on Samsung, the same products as they had added to cart on the desktop will still be in their cart. So it's a great way of keeping your customer and being more loyal, and it gives a lot better trustworthiness. And Consistent Cart, and it's free, it's a very great way to go ahead and save the card. Though Consistent Cart got a huge amount of different tools that you can go ahead and use. It got messenger marketing and abandoned card recovery, so you can go ahead and set up abandoned card recovery email, send out automatically each, well, I don't know, like 1 hour, 6 hour, 12 hour, 24 hours, and you can customize them by yourself. Use templates, and you can go ahead and set up messenger remarketing, which is a huge potential at the moment. A lot of people are moving into using messenger remarketing. I got it myself, and I'm getting a phenomenal ROI of that. So you can see right here, unlimited abandoned card recovery emails, thank you emails, birthday emails, push notification campaigns. So you can go ahead and make push notifications for the desktop, add to cart, pop-up shows, integration, cart list, export visitors, access to all features, and so on. You will have a free trial. It's free with the basic thing, and then it's $14 a month for all of these additional tools. I got this package and it's working great. You get so much value for money with this. You can see from the screenshot right here, beautiful email sequences. So it will give you different templates that you can go ahead and use, which will increase the trustworthiness and the ROI and conversion rate of your abandoned emails. You can see a full list of what the people have added to cart, the amount that you have recovered from the Consistent Cart, and so on. If you have installed Preview, it will automatically import the email to Preview and send out the abandoned cards. That was just 5 great apps to use for your store to increase your conversion ratio and to improve your store looking better, and to give more trustworthiness and have more trustworthiness for your store, which will increase your conversion ratio and make it more likely for your customers to buy from your store. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit the nice looking subscribe subscribe button and the notification bell to always be up to date with all of my videos. Give it a like and comment down below if you have any questions of anything about Shopify, dropshipping, or stuff like that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.